All right. Hello, Digital Tech, summer 2026. Welcome to week 7. Three assignments this week. YouTube podcast, create a short from long form video using Remix, and crafting a standout resume with AI enhancement. Assignment 16 and 17, you will need to have completed assignment 14 in order to be able to proceed with these ones. Both of these are going to be requiring links to your existing YouTube video that you created for that one. And your YouTube video, as per the requirement in that assignment, ought to have audio, so a voiceover video, a voiceover narration of some kind. Basically, the podcast assignment is going to take all the audio from your video and turn it into a podcast, which is pretty cool. There have been a few different, very minute updates on each of these platforms, both the Notebook LM and the YouTube mobile app. So therefore, you want to make sure that you watch review the images inside of each assignment. So like in here, you'll see there's images here. It's very similar to what happens in the walkthrough video, but just a couple very small points. Same thing happens. Same thing happens in the YouTube, the remix, just where you can actually find that remix button for the create a short from long form video using Remix. But yeah, so really these three assignments should, I think, take like less than an hour to do all three of them. So therefore, this would be a really excellent week to begin working ahead and knocking out that Google Analytics certification. Again, this is worth 5% of the grade in the course, and it is due on Saturday, July 18th. That is technically, it would otherwise be Sunday, but that Saturday is the last day of the summer term. So the reason why it's due on Saturday is to give you the most amount of time possible to do it. But I highly recommend knocking that out like now. It's much better to do that now than it would be to get to Saturday, July 18th, and then have to spend the whole day kind of doing it. There's a course preceded by the exam. The exam itself is 75 minutes timer with 50 questions. So you might be able to get through those 50 questions in like 30 or 40 minutes. But the course that precedes it, which is optional, does take a few hours. I think Google estimates the course itself to take about 5 hours. All of the more reason why this is such a big chunk of the grade in this course, and all the more reason why I recommend knocking it out early. So this would be a good week to do that. You get the 3 assignments this week done. It would be really good to start there. As always, reach out if you have any questions whatsoever. I am here and happy to help. And let's have a great week. All right, wings up, go Eagles. I'll see you next time.